My next magic trick is a deck of cards showing you how the multitude of magic tricks you can do with this deck of cards. They're a regular deck of cards. It gives every appearance of a regular deck, and I'm going to take out 3. If I can find that 4th ace here somewhere. There it is. There's my 4 aces. As you can see, 4 aces. Okay? I'm going to take that deck and I'm going to turn it up like this, and I'm going to put those aces in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All in different places. And you can see they're in different places. Now I'm going to square the deck up, and I'm going to shuffle the cards a little bit. Oops. Let's try to shuffle it so it looks like they're being shuffled. There you go. So we shuffle those cards out, and the trick is, of course, is to find the aces. Now, we know that they're in the deck somewhere, so we're going to attempt to find them quickly. How about this for quickly? 4 aces. And they are the only 4 aces in the deck. That's a pretty fast magic trick. But this deck of cards has a multitude of magic tricks you can do. Here's another one. I can ask a person to take a card. They look at their card, and I ask them to put it back in the deck. I shuffle that deck up. Oops. Let's try to shuffle it up real good. Shuffle it up like that. Shuffle it overhand. Now the trick is to find their card. Now we can just cut the cards like so. Make sure the card's not on the top. No, that's not the card on the top. It's not on the bottom. That means it's somewhere in the middle. Now the easiest way to go about that is just take the cards, give it a little cut, and guess what we have right here at the top? Does that appear to be the card? It does. We shuffle it in again, and guess what? There's the real 2 of clubs. That's what we had. Now, these are very simple tricks to do. Here's another one you can do with the same deck of cards. There's a multitude you can do with this deck. I'm going to mix them up. Some face up, some face down. As you can see, there's face up, face down. They're all kinds of messed up. I can cut them a couple times like so. Just a few cuts like so. And let's see if we can do anything here really, really neat. We can separate this piece from this piece. These are all face down, and these are now all face up. These are all very, very easy card tricks to learn. Now, here's the secret to these card tricks. This is what they call a taper deck or a stripper deck. The taper deck means that the cards are a little bit less narrow on one side than the other. So if I take this card and I stick it in backwards, you can actually feel at the bottom the card, and if you can see it, it's sticking out just a little bit right there. So all I have to do is put my hands on it, slide that card out, and there it comes. So watch the 8 of diamonds. Again, I'll just slide it here anywhere in the deck. I can shuffle the cards, because that doesn't matter. I'm not mixing them up in terms of upside down and right side up. All the tapers stay at one end. So again, when I feel that side of that card of that deck, 1 of 2 things will happen. I can either find that, which was the 8, which is this card right here. That's how easy it is to find. There's such a multitude of card tricks you can do with this. You can actually go online and on YouTube, look for taper deck or stripper deck card tricks, and there are literally thousands of them. And I've been doing these for 50 years, and I've yet have anyone determine what it is I'm doing.